Every 3 minutes, an African loses his life savings or pocket money to sports betting. By the time you finish watching this video, 5 more people will join the statistics. According to NOI polls, Nigerians spend over 730 billion naira annually on sports betting. African News Agency reported in October 2025 that South Africans staked 1.1 trillion rand on sport betting during the 2024-2025 season. From Lagos to Accra, Nairobi to Johannesburg, a global industry is rewriting our culture, one stake at a time. This is not a story about gambling in Africa anymore. This is what happens after the bet is placed. These are the stories they don't advertise. This is not just their story. If you've ever placed a bet, share their betting code, or told a friend, just try this your banker. This is your story too. Real talk, less than 5% of you are subscribed. If you're vibing with this content, smash that subscribe button right now. Your support keeps the channel alive. Alright, back to the beat. Number 1, betting is now our culture. From campuses screens to church WhatsApp group, betting is not hidden anymore. It's celebrated. The question is not who's betting, it's who's not. From teenagers to working professionals, the bet is no longer a pastime. It's identity, belonging, rebellion, and validation rolled in one, and the consequences are quietly multiplying. According to Infowire.com, as of October 2025, an estimated 440 million Africans actively engage in sport betting. The African sport betting market has now soared to $17.6 billion, making it a cultural phenomenon. Number 2, influencers and algorithms are working together. On Instagram and Twitter, Nigerian bet influencers flash 5 million winning slip, mostly photoshopped or staged for affiliate commissions. But here's the real weapon they're using: artificial intelligence. Right now, AI algorithms are tracking your every move. They know when you hesitate, when you're about to quit, when you just got paid. Flash bonuses appear exactly when you're weak. Tailored odds pop up on your screen. This is not chance anymore. It's control. The system doesn't gamble. It calculates. It doesn't hope you will bet. It ensures you bet. Number 3, families are breaking under silent pressure. Behind closed doors, a quiet storm brew. Across Nigeria, families are cracking under the invincible weight of sport bet gambling. Fathers secretly dip into rent money, hoping for one lucky break. Students gamble away their school fees, chasing recovery that never comes. Wife discovered debts too late, and the trust that held homes together begins to crumble. With no support or awareness, despair mutates into theft, fraud, and broken trust, turning fleeting battles into a nationwide mental health crisis. For instance, on June 3, 2023, Punch News recorded that one Samuel Adegoke, a 200-level student of electrical electronics engineering at the Federal Polytechnic, Ilaro, Ogun State, ingested insecticide after losing his school fees and those of his friends to sports betting. In May 2024, Report Afrique reported that a Nigerian man identified on Twitter as Somas Vegas expressed shock and dismay after his elder brother lost his entire 1.2 million naira school fees on sports betting. The losses go beyond money. They cost peace, love, and stability. Number 4, there's hope. Here's what the betting companies don't want you to know. Escape is possible, and it starts today. If you're in Lagos, Abuja, or anywhere in Nigeria, help exists. Gamble Pause Initiative at Alagomeji, Yaba offers free counseling, group therapy, family support, no judgment, no cost. Lagos State just launched Safe Play, Africa's first multi-operator self-exclusion system. One registration blocks you from all licensed betting platforms from 3 months to 5 years. If you are using BetNaija or SportyBet, both apps now have in-platform self-exclusion tools. Minimum is 90 days. Recovery is not just a dream. It's happening. One deleted app, one phone call, one brave decision at a time. Number 5, the system is haunting your future. Here's what they don't tell you. Most of Africa's biggest betting platforms are not even African. They are registered in tax havens like Malta and Cyprus, all owned offshore. Every tap on your phone sends money and data across borders. The profit vanishes overseas, but the addiction stays right here in Africa. Lagos, Accra, Nairobi, Johannesburg. While billions flow out, our regulators look away. Weak laws, political allies, silent watchdogs, and who's caught in the crossfire? Our youth. In lecture halls across Nigeria, study groups have become betting circles for many young Nigerians. Success no longer means earning a degree. It means hitting a jackpot. A generation built for innovation is being rewired for risk. When a 20-year-old believes his future depends on a football match in England or Spain, something fundamental has broken. The system doesn't care about your tomorrow, but you should. Number 6, the future of the bet. When a nation begins to bet more on luck than on labor, what happens to its soul? The final cost of gambling is not written on receipts or betting slips. It's engraved in our collective mindset. The dream of instant wealth is replacing the value of patience, effort, and skill. A generation raised on betting tickets may forget how to build, create, or endure. This story is not just about the betting companies. It's about us, our choices, our values, our future. Because when hope becomes a gamble, the greatest loss is not money, it's purpose. The real gamble is tomorrow. In the end, every bet tells a story. But here's what the betting companies don't want you to know. You can rewrite the ending. If you've ever placed a bet, you are not alone. If you've ever lost, you are not broken. And if someone you loved is trapped in this cycle, this video is your tool. Because even after the bet ends, the consequences don't. The real hustle is not about chasing odds. It's reclaiming your future. Share this with one person who needs to see it. Comment with your betting story below. Subscribe if you want more investigations like this.